What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I actually do have not like a sense of urgency, but a little bit of a slight keep an eye on Ulty with the NAV because, again, let's just say right around April is when they got the wake up call. And they started changing things. So it was 555, 586, 574, 589, 586. One time it was 614, and it was 624, 627. Got up to 640 on July 16th, and then dropped down to 590. So it's at that line that is okay. I'm not completely concerned. Again, they just did a distribution date. You're going to see a drop in the NAV. But my bigger concern is Msty. First off, with Msty, this is the lowest it's ever been. It's 1786. Remember, it does synthetic calls. So it has to rely on MicroStrategy and it has to rely on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin's up, it's good. MicroStrategy's up, it's good. The problem is MicroStrategy's been down a little bit. We have some things to look at. So first off, you see Bitcoin, it was up in the past year 96.81%. MicroStrategy in the past year has been up 175.35%, and MSTY has been down 23.94%. So we haven't had a really significant jump. Now, look at this with MicroStrategy going up really high. That was good. But now, since it's kind of at an equilibrium, Msty's been down a little bit. And it's down 23.94% in the past year. So that's something to be aware of for me right there. Again, this is Msty. It's 1786. This is the lowest it's ever been, I'm pretty sure. So that's something that has me a little concerned about Msty. The other thing is the competitors with Msty. So let's look at Msty with competitors. So the past day, Msty's been down 1.81%. Bitwise, the MSTR, the IMST's been down 1.12%. MSII is down 0.49%. And the leverage one, MST, I like that one, but MicroStrategy's been doing bad. That's down 3.93%. In the past 5 days, MSTY has been down 8.19%. The Bitwise MSTR, the IMST, that's down 7.92%. The Rex growth and income one, MSII, that's been down 10.01%. MST is down 18.04%. In the past month, this is when it starts getting interesting. MSTY has been down 21.87%. IMST has been down 21.37%. MSII has been down 21.67%. MST has been down 39.57%. Then we go to 6 months, you start seeing the big difference. So the IMST, now I know some of these are still new, but MSTY has been down 29.55%. So it's almost like, some of these that are newer seem to be doing okay long-term wise compared to MSTY. MST is down 39.29%. That's expected. I mean, it's a very aggressive growth and income ETF. It's a leveraged one too. The Rex shares MSTR, it's only been down 9.42%, and Bitwise has been down 4.75%. So you're noticing a big difference with the competitors. The one thing that concerns me the most, and I showed you guys, I told you theory-wise that BTCI would beat MSTY long run. So far, I'm correct. Now let's look at BTCI in the past day, been down 0.52%. MSTY has been down 1.98%. In the past 5 days, BTCI has been down 1.66%. MSTY has been down 8.55%. In the past month, BTCI has been down 2.60%. MSTY has been down 21.87%. The past 6 months, BTCI has outperformed MSTY. It was in the positive 6.79% to negative 29.55%. And year to date, BTCI is up 7.08% to MSTY, which is down 32.12%. Then we see BTCI up in the past year 28% versus 23.94%. And then we'll just say max. BTCI has been up 25.24% to MSTY 17.31%. Now, it's starting to get to the point with BTCI. If you reinvested the dividends with BTCI and you reinvested the dividends with MSTY, BTCI might be winning. And this is the concern of these synthetic call ETFs with Msty. So this is a significant drop. Now, I own BTCI, I own MSTY, I own MST, and I will add IMST, and I will add MSII. But the concern is with synthetic calls, what happens if Bitcoin takes a major dip and it affects MicroStrategy? Because if there's a significant drop and people are pulling out of Bitcoin, it's going to affect MicroStrategy, which is going to affect MSTY. MSTY is going to drop even more. So this is the one thing with the test with Msty. Is it the real deal now compared to the competitors? Because the competitors seem to be a little bit safer than Msty. Now, Msty has an excellent distribution. But the $17 of Msty, I'm going to jump back to that. The 1786 that I pointed out, that might be the lowest that I've seen them. And they're going to need a significant jump by MicroStrategy, and they may drop even more with the synthetic call. So this is something that I'm aware of, looking at the trends. And again, one point Msty was 1907, one point it was 1988, and it was up to 2514, but then it was 2207, and now we're at 1787 right there, 1786. So that's a significant drop with Msty. So it's going to have to rely on MSTR to do significantly well. And what happens if MSTR doesn't do well and it drops? Then we got a problem. So this used to be, the ultimate ETF, but it may not be, because again, there's the competition's out there, and Msty is starting to fall behind, if you ask me. So I want to see what you think on this, because this is a little bit of a concern with the drop. This is why I'm well diversified. This is why I'm not completely relying on Msty for retirement. And I like my dividend growth stocks as a better option for retirement. So yes, I'm going to be having my income from Ulty buying these ETFs, Msty. Hopefully I buy some dips. Hopefully I get some good income from Msty. But you just have to be aware that Msty is not invincible, and neither is Ulty. This is my point. And the competition's out there, and this is why I like the portfolio options income ETFs a little bit better than Msty and Ulty. That's why I'm putting my money with Ulty into portfolio options income ETFs with yieldmax. I think they're phenomenal. I like them a lot. And that's what I'm going to be putting my income into, the passive income distributions Ulty to Msty to buy dividend growth stocks, Ulty to CHPY to Ulty to LFGY, Ulty to, these really good weekly option income ETFs, which will be buying dividend growth stocks. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. Take care and have a good one. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. Go to a financial advisor for financial advice. Go to a tax advisor for tax advice. I'm just being very straightforward with you. When it comes to investing, you can lose money. So you have to do your due diligence. Go to your financial advisor. And you just have to be aware, any investment you make, you can lose money. You shouldn't be buying things because I'm buying things. I want you to be very clear on my disclaimer and what I'm just telling you straightforward. This is entertainment purposes only. You guys take care and have a good one.